Do you ever have one thing take up your whole day or a whole week and it's all you focus on? Same. It's bad. And I'm gonna tell you how to fix it. But hold up. Before I tell you how to fix it, I'm gonna tell you why it's bad. It's bad because when you focus on one thing, you're focusing on one thing. Everything else you need to get done is gone. It's not, tunnel vision is not it. I'm guessing we all have multiple things or responsibilities that we have to do during the day. So when you take one thing and do it the whole day, you're forgetting or you're gonna be too exhausted to do anything else that needs to be done. If you don't believe me, this is the reason I almost quit YouTube. I was so busy with doing something else, my college applications, I forgot about the structure of my day and everything else that needed to be done. So when you have this big task, like I was saying before, it's going to affect your productivity. It may not be the other things on your to-do list, but something is going to be affected when you have this big thing of just responsibility or this big task that you need to do. It may not be something on your to-do list. It could be something like your sleep schedule or what you eat because you're grinding all day. So you're like, oh, I'm just gonna go to Mickey D's. No Mickey D's, bro. No. If you're still having problems, figuring out why it's so bad to focus only on one thing, think of a basketball player. Like, think of LeBron James, bro. If LeBron James just focuses on his jump shot, it's all good, right? He'll become a better shooter. But how's he going to be able to dribble the ball to get into his shot? How's he going to be able to pass the ball? How's he going to make layups if all he's focused on is his jump shot? What does LeBron do? He works on everything. That's why he's debatably the GOAT. Debatably the GOAT. Because he works on his passing. He can pass. He can shoot. He can dribble. He can lay. So I'm going to make you LeBron James. Let's get into it. How are you going to balance all your deadlines and tasks and not just focus on your one thing? Make a schedule. Whoa, bro. Don't leave yet. I know you're thinking, this dude has no idea what he's talking about. Of course, you're still going to want to prioritize the main thing that you need to work on, whether it be college applications, an essay, planning an event or something. But you want to have it more balanced out. The schedule is going to help you balance out your day, because if you don't have your schedule, you're just going to run wild with your big thing that needs to be done. And before you know it, the day's over. And you look at your other stuff, you're like, I'll do that tomorrow. And it never gets done. So you're being faced with a huge task or you have something big to do, you need to go make a schedule. Because what it's going to do is it's going to split it up so it's manageable. You're still getting done what needs to be done, but you're not missing any important things. Back, short sleeve, little hot. But yeah. So, if you have big things, you have big tasks you need to do, and you need to be the greatest at planning your day, make a schedule, bruh. It will help. The scheduling tactic is not going to work if you're like procrastinating or whatever, because you're only going to have a short amount of time to do whatever needs to be done. Like a project, if you have 3 days to do it, I'm not doing a schedule, right? You're going to spend the next 48 hours. So don't procrastinate. If you still procrastinate, check out the vid and then come back to this vid so you can get your schedule straight. Schedule straight. As I said before, I almost didn't post this week. We're back on it. So I'm gonna be dropping once a week, twice a week, maybe every so often. You're back to uploading once a week? Yeah, it just works better for me. Make sure your schedule works the best for you, because you're the one doing it. If you want to be the greatest of all time at planning your schedule, hit the subscribe button, smash the thumbs up button, and I will see you guys next week.